Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so we're going to be solving a murder here. So first I'm going to write down all of our possible suspects. So we have Colonel and Mustard, which is supposed to be yellow in our case. And yellow corresponds to 580 nanometers. Then we have Professor Plum, who corresponds with purple. And purple is the shortest wavelength in the visible spectrum. Mr. Green is green. And green corresponds to about 520 nanometers. Then we have Miss Peacock, who's blue. And blue is approximately 500 nanometers. Then we have Miss Scarlet, who's red. And the red area of the visible spectrum has the longest wavelength. So purple shortest and red's longest, and then yellow, green, and blue fall in between. So if we look at who we know we can eliminate, we know we can eliminate Mr. Green because 520 corresponds to green. And then for the rooms that have lower frequency than 520, a lower frequency equals a longer wavelength. So we don't want to, so it can't be Miss Peacock, who has a shorter wavelength, and it can't be Professor Plum. So the ones with longer wavelengths would be Miss Scarlet and Colonel Mustard. So we know those two are not it. And then our last clue is that the shortest possible wavelength was in the other room. And we know that purple is the shortest wavelength. So Professor Plum's off the hook. So that leaves Miss Peacock, who is the blue with 500 nanometers.